like at home, my friend?
Honestly, not great. Sometimes in the shower, I'll just take a razor, and I wouldn't use even cream. I'll just hot water. Yeah.
Ouch.
I don't have sensitive skin, so.
Thank
It's gonna be a
God.
tough shave, though. You know that, right?
Why?
Let me finish with your shaving regimen. What do you do after you shave? You put anything on your skin?
Yeah, I'll do my skincare routine, which doesn't involve any like aftershave though.
See, so I'm saying to you, this is gonna be a tough shave because he doesn't do those steps afterwards. So his hair, he's got one of those that facial hair that if he rubbed it on your face, you're gonna be like, ow.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
but
which when I grew it out, so I did no shave in November, and my guy over here gave me the conditioner. It worked when I grew it out, and it got a little bit softer. But what I'm hearing is I should use aftershave and shaving cream.
You should.